Hi there, Sacha Liddiard here, and I just want to say a big thank you for you taking the time out to come and have a listen as to what I'm up to. But before I do, I just want to tell you a bit about my background and how and why I actually started this business. Now, my life changed completely about 26 years ago when I gave birth to my daughter. At the time, I had a very successful and lucrative career working in London, but things changed and I knew I couldn't leave her behind and I needed to find something, a business model that I could work around my family, which is exactly what I did. It was great. Loved it. Did it for 10 years. And then got to a stage where the kids didn't need me anymore and my personal circumstances changed. So I was back out in the big, wide corporate world again. I was a regional sales and coach trainer for a very well-known company and very, very happy. I actually said if I had won the lottery, I probably wouldn't give up my job. I loved it that much. The day after I said that, I got made redundant and I was devastated. And at that time, I vowed I needed to be in control of my future life. I never wanted to have this situation ever happen to me again. Now, I was lucky. I found a job very, very quickly. But the ridiculous times, the laborious commute eventually took their toll. And I really thought this is the time that I need to get going, really get this business running from home. Now, I found and stumbled upon the dropshipping model then, and I thought it was a complete and utter scam. Completely dismissed it. 2 months later, somebody sent me a video, exactly the same video that I'd previously watched, but because I trusted them, I took another look. And I thought, I've got nothing to lose. I think the training was $19.99 a month. I've got nothing to lose. If it doesn't work out, I can quit in a month's time, just cancel my membership, and there you go, I'll find something else. So I got the training, I used the tools, I did absolutely everything I was told to do, and I stayed consistent. But within 24 hours, I had sold my first item. I can remember it to this day. It was a baby monitor and I made £5 profit. And within a week, I had got my money back and I've never not been in profit ever since. And I ran the business part-time. I did get another full-time job. I ran it part-time. And 2 years later, I managed to quit my full-time job and work this full-time from home. And I'm now in a position where I can give back. I can help you achieve exactly what I've achieved. As long as you've got the same consistency, you've got the ability to overcome challenges, because there will be many. When you're running your own business, there will be challenges. But if you've got that ability to do that, then I can help you achieve what I've achieved. And I'm really looking forward to helping you on your journey, a journey that I started and I have never, ever regretted.